Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting LeetCode problem called transform array by parity. In this problem, we are given an integer array nums. We need to perform three operations in the exact order. Replace every even number with 0, replace every odd number with 1, and modify the array in non-decreasing order and finally return the transform array. Let's understand within an example. Here given an array 4, 3, 2, 1. Our step 1 should be replace all even numbers with 0 or replace all the odd numbers with the 1. Now when the array becomes something like this, at the end just return a short array. Now, now let's understand the approach. We transfer the array once. If the current element is even, replace it with 0, otherwise replace it with 1. After processing all elements, simply sort the array and return it to the answer. Now let's see the code. Let's transfer through the array. I is equal to 0, I less than size and I plus plus. Now the main thing, if my number is even, then number should convert to 0, or else that number should convert to 1. And after transferring to this, we're gonna just simply using short method, short the array, non-decreasing order. Begin dot and at the end just return the array again. Now submit the answer. Okay, it's working. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.